In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to change your domain name on Vercel project. First of all, you need to log into your Vercel account. Then you need to go to your projects page and you need to choose the project where you want to change the domain name. For example, I will choose this one, and then you need to click domains right here in the top menu. And there are two options. You can buy the new domain, just click the buy button, use the search bar and search for your domain name, or just if you already have it, you can click on add existing and you need to paste the domain name right here. I already have my domain, so I will go to my Hostinger account where I have it and I will copy the domain name. So when you paste the domain name, you need to click on save. And now we need to configure our DNS. So in this case, I will go to the Hostinger and you need to go your domain main dashboard, your domain manager, and you need to click on manage. Right here, let's go to the DNS and we need to add CNAME and also A records to our domain name. So let's start with A record. Let's start with A. So in the type, you need to choose A. In the name, you need to write add, and in the value, you need to copy this from here and paste it right there. Don't need this chat. So then click add record and click confirm. Then you need to create the CNAME record. So we need to choose CNAME right here. So we need to write the www in the name, and in the target we need to copy this one from here and paste it in the target, then click add record. So as you can see, we have added our name records, and now we can refresh the page. And now we need to wait from few minutes to few hours and our domain will be changed on Vercel. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.